What's up, guys? This is Johnny McFudge with another Easy Cap tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to fix your crackling noise when you use your Easy Cap either on a 64-bit or if you just got a defective Easy Cap and you don't want to trade it in because you have to pay for shipping and all that crap. Anyway, what you need is these two cables basically. A computer with a microphone input. Kind of looks like this. Microphone, headphone. And then you need this little piece right here, which has red and white inputs. So go ahead and connect those two. You know, go ahead and connect those. And once you get that, hook it up to your microphone input, and it should look something like that. Now I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright, so I have a virtual dev open already. If you don't, go ahead and open it. First thing we're going to do is go to audio. Make sure the enable audio capture is checked, and instead of using the digital audio interface, which is the EasyCap, you're going to be using your microphone. So just click it, make sure it's checked. Second thing, if you record like this, you're going to get crap audio. So you're going to go to recording devices down here, right click your speaker button, recording devices, double click your microphone, go to listen, or levels I mean, and make sure this is at 0, make sure this is 100%, microphone 100, microphone boost 0. Hit OK. Right click your microphone if it's not the default, like click your microphone, set it to default, so go ahead and do that, and that should be good. I'll show you a video right now of what it will look like, so here goes. Okay, as you can see, we have audio right now. You know, just this is the best you can do probably. So don't forget to rate, comment, and hopefully you'll subscribe. So later, guys.